Let's go, please. Enough of the hugging. Let's go. I said, let's go. That's enough.
It's fine, it's okay.
Let's go.
It's okay, it's okay. She's not dead. Don't cry like that. She's not dead.
Hi.
Please.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What took you so long with the food?
I'm sorry.
Please save it, save it. Save your sorrow.
Okay. My husband, I don't know. There is something I would like us to discuss.
So I should be talking while eating?
No.
Is that it?
No, not at all. I will just leave. Just go. My husband.
I'm off to work.
Okay. There is something I want to discuss with you.
So I should leave the work that puts food on the table and stay back and discuss something with you. I'm asking you. Nemukwanya. I'm going to work. Make sure you stay back here.
Ever since our daughter left, you have neither eaten nor drank anything.
No, she is all we had.
I know, but you know what happened? She made that choice.
I can't believe I helped her make the decision.
It's not your fault. Neither is it that of our daughter, Mama. It is my fault.
My wife.
Nai,
No.
what is this thing you're holding?
Go.
Where do you think you're going?
To hunting, of course.
Now, let me ask you.
Ask.
When was last time you visited the forest?
Ever since the doctor said I should stop. But I can't continue staying at home just like that, doing nothing. So I have to visit the forest again.
Nai, I am happy you said it. The doctor said you should not. Why are you trying to object the doctor's order? Doctor say you should not do things that will be very hard for you. Even a long distance is no longer good for your health. Why are you trying to do it now?
Happy for. As you can see, I'm very fit. I'm fit. Yes, I have missed the forest. Do you know, how can I just be staying at home doing nothing, just like that, idle? And you know, this hunting is the only thing I know how to do very well. Just let me go. Let me go. How can somebody just be at home doing nothing from year to year? It's somehow. Let me visit the forest again. It's over 1 year since I visited forest too.
Nai, Biko. My husband.
No.
I beg you in the name of God. Please, don't go. It's not good for your health. Please.
Please let me go. I promise you I will not stay long. I will come back now.
Under this rain.
Yes.
All trees must have been slippery because last time, the last animal you killed, you told me that you climb a tree when you try to target the animal.
See, I promise you no tree climbing today. Besides, the rain has stopped. The moistness of the leaves will make the animals fall asleep. So I will kill Nchimmirima for you today. Watch, I will come back now. Now, I will not take time. Now.
But this is doctor's report. Doctor warned you, seriously. May God guide you. Nothing bad will happen to you.
Omalicham, who got you angry? Tell me the person. Who is responsible for your tears?
Please, sir. Please, just leave me alone. Please. This is no time for your usual disturbances. Please.
I am serious. Forget the idea that I want to have you as my wife. There's no way I could see you in pain or tears without going to the root of it. Tell me, who is responsible for this?
My father is dying at the village clinic.
What?
Yes.
What happened?
He was attacked by a wild animal. And the surgery is mandatory to save his life. We don't have any money.
It's okay. But he will be fine after the surgery. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then no problem. I'll help you. How much is it?
300,000 naira, sir.
What?
That is what the doctor is asking us to bring.
Hey!
Yes.
Ego bagotekwa. I don't think I can be of help.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Just help us, please. If there's any way you can help us, I would really appreciate it.
You don't have to kneel down for me, please. I have begged you for this before, and I'm begging you again. Address me as Osondo or Awesome.
Okay, okay, sir. Awesome. Please, sir, help me. Help. I don't want my father to die.
Get up.
I should get up.
Yes, get up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have decided to help this family raise the sum of 300,000 naira needed for the surgery. I will do that.
Did you hear that? Oh my
I
God.
will do that.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you.
Amen.
May you live long. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you, Ndam.
Amen.
Hey,
But I will want to know how you pay me back the money, because it's not a gift. It is a loan. So I need some type of collateral, something I can hold on to.
But sir, we.
The name is Osondo.
Osondu, please, sir. We don't have anything. In fact, we don't have anything we will use as a collateral. Even the land we farm on is not even our own. Please, sir, help us. Help us.
You want me to help you?
Yes, sir.
I must have something to hold on to. I need something I can hold on to.
welcome. Nah, you've heard my daughter. We don't have anything. There's nothing we can use.
And who said you don't have anything? You have something, which is what I'm looking at here now.
Sir, what? Who, me?
Huh?
How can you use me as a collateral?
And who said anything about collateral? Marry me and let me save the life of your father. That way you don't need to pay me back any money. This is God ordering you from above.
Oh, did you hear that?
Aha!
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Adam. You people have not told me the good Samaritan that paid my hospital bill.
Nai, I said I will tell you about him, but it's when you recover fully. Oh?
But I would like to know it now.
Mama, there is no need hiding it. We need to tell Papa.
No, don't.
Tell me what.
Tell him what? What do you want to tell him?
Papa.
What do you want to tell him now?
Allow her, please. Adam.
Papa, we had to go into an agreement with Osondu, the mechanic, in order to raise money to pay your hospital bill.
Okay, what agreement?
That I will marry him.
What? I have decided to sell everything I have, or anything else I can lay my hands on. I must raise that 300,000, and I'll return his bride price to him. Never will he be allowed to spend this forthcoming Christmas with our daughter. Never.
No. That is going to cause a lot of trouble. Had it been your brother Chibogo is still alive, all this misfortune wouldn't have been falling on us. If not that the enemy killed him after building this house, all these things wouldn't have been falling on us. Please, don't do it. You don't even know if you are going to come up with such amount of money. What do we have to sell? What? What are you going to sell now to get such amount of money? Please, let her be. Our daughter has made that sacrifice and she begged us to let her be. Yes, you know that.
No! My soul shall not be at rest, knowing that my daughter sacrificed her life for my sake. I can't.
She did what she did that you may live. She saved you.
And it is now my turn to save her. And I will.
Where has this girl gone to? Huh? Hello? What? Accident? How? Where? Where is she now? How come accident? What happened?
Where are you going to? Who is pursuing you?
Is it your business? Is it your business?
Come, I cannot stand you. Open this your dirty mouth to insult me. How dare you? Egona tu kwagi. Egona tu kwagi.
Egona tu. Come on, this thing.
It is obvious you don't have respect. You don't have respect. Go, let me go. Let me have the gun. My leg, my leg. Somebody help! Good. My leg, my leg.
Did I shoot that man? How? I shot him. Hi. Oh, which kind of temptation is this one now? Eh? What kind of wahala is this one again? But you safe as Anuka, what is wrong with you? Are you a hunter? Why will you carry your father's gun? I don't even know what it did me that made me carry this gun. What am I hunting? something attack me here. Wow, what if this man is dead now? What will I tell the villagers? What if this man is dead now? What will I say? What will I say? Somebody will not stay in one place. You don't mind your business. If you had gone on your own now, will I shoot you? Will I shoot you? That's happened now. What else should I do? That's happened. Man, this gun is heavy.
Yeah? Where's Azu? This woman. Come. I have searched everywhere for my gun and I cannot find it. And there is nothing you can do to convince me right now. Where is my gun?
I did not see Azu leave this house with a gun. She went with a bucket and told me that she was going to the stream.
Oh, okay. So you mean my gun just developed wings and flew away from this house, isn't it? Look, I have warned that your cursed girl never to tamper with anything that belongs to me again in this house.
Nai, my daughter is not cursed. If you say that again, I will not take it lightly with you.
Then what is she if she's not cursed? No, tell me something that is good about her. Just mention one thing that is good about her.
All I know is that she's my daughter and she's not cursed. I carried her in this womb for 13 good months, not 9 months, 13 months. And I know what I passed through.
Hear yourself talk. 13 good months and not 9 months. You are even happy mentioning 13 good months and not 9 months. Eh? Which normal human being stays in the mother's womb for 13 good months? Eh? Just mention it. Look, listen to me very carefully. If I get to know that Azu is the one that took my gun, if I find out, you'll be amazed what I'll do to her.
My daughter is not cursed and she did not touch your gun. Don't touch my daughter and don't say that she's cursed.
It's me, Amoche. Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You sent for me?
Yes, I did. Did you go to the stream today?
Yes. I came back not long ago.
Did you see my daughter at the stream?
No, I've not seen her today.
She took a bucket and told me that she was going to the stream.
Oh, I saw her bucket at my place and my mother said she dropped it and told her she would come back to take it.
Then where did she go?
I don't know.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. Are you saying you didn't see my daughter?
No, sir.
I told you. I told you that girl took my gun. She took my gun.
Hi. Azuanoka lapotagwam. Eh? I told her father that I hated that name. He insisted and said that he's naming her after the late grandmother. Now look at it. Azuanoka. She does not listen to anything. Azuadra Anuzioka. There is nothing you will say that she will listen to. Can you do what differ? Huh? Hey! What am I going to do? Huh?
Mama, just calm down. I know she will come back. She's going to come back.
Ha! It's not a matter of coming back. Oh, the gun. The gun.
Where are you coming from? My sister. I'm coming from Azu's house. So her mother sent for me.
What happened?
My dear, I don't know why that girl is very stubborn. Do you know Azu left her house with her father's gun?
You don't mean it? Hey, this Azuanoka, this girl is very stubborn. Hey,
I just pray she comes back safely with the gun, oh. Before she kills someone with that gun, I don't trust Azuanoka. I don't trust her.
Hey.
I don't trust her for any reason.
That girl, that little girl, from one problem to another in this village. Now, wow. It's fine.
Where are you going to?
I want to go and buy something for my father. I want to go and buy something for you.
Okay, well, I get cool letter.
All right. Take care. Oh.
Okay, bye-bye.
My name is Azan.
What's happening? Why your face like this?
I want make you help me like find somebody where they buy person keep for house as slave.
Huh? Slave?
Like I want somebody to kidnap me.
You will kidnap you? Okay. What's that your name again?
That one not the important. Just carry me like anybody will go kidnap me. Give me, we no go even ask for ransom.
Okay. Kidnapping. No wahala now. Where they go?
You know the place.
I'll be one of them. So where would they go now? Where would they go?
You know go kidnap me.
No.
I'm not ask for money.
No. That's very bad for money. Where would they go?
Which one, my friend? How can you bother to pay back a loan?
What other choice have I, Nkwo? I need to pay back that idiot whatever he thinks he spent on my health so I can take back my daughter.
You are right, but you know they are married already.
But Nkwo, I'm not here for this discussion. I need the money, please. Are you giving me the money or not?
You know, I don't have the money, but borrowing from men's coffers attracts huge interest. Are you sure you can pay back? Think twice before you commit yourself.
Come on, keep going.
Stop now!
Wait, no.
Stop, Cody! Wait,
Come on, baby.
There's no way I have to bring me.
Go ahead, no.
Oh God! Oh God! This boy, God will punish you. Leave me, God.
Come on.
Azu, where have you been and where are you coming from?
Leave me now.
I saw her.
Are you the one that asked?
Come on.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Mama, what did you say?
Oh, you want me to be repeating myself, okay? In fact, don't say anything again. Nah, where did you see her?
I'm Anyanwu's son, and I know this family very well. That was why I was shocked when she came to me asking me to help hand her over to any available kidnappers in this village so they can take her.
Kidnapper? Chinekeme? Azu, is that true?
I was scared.
Scared of what?
I lost Papa's gun and heart in the forest.
Hey! Eh? This guy will not kill me in this village. What were you looking for in the forest? And what were you doing with your father's gun? Now you have lost it. Eh?
You will not start going. You will not start going.
Come on, keep quiet also.
Nah, Diko. Thank you for bringing her back home, eh?
No
God
problem.
bless you.
No problem.
Thank you. What were you doing with your father's gun? And why did you go to the forest with it?
Mama, it's a mistake.
Which mistake? Why did you go to the forest? Eh?
I was trying to help us.
Help us how? Do what? With a gun? Your father's gun? Mama, what? Come inside. You will tell me what to do. You will tell me today what you're going to do. Mistake.
Ma! This is fresh fish. Use it and prepare a plate of pepper soup for me. Bring it to my shop. Make sure you bring every part. None should be missing.
Okay.
What is it?
My husband, I don't know if you are ready for us to discuss now.
So I should go starving because I want to discuss with you. I should starve myself.
No. I will just go and prepare it first. If you want, I will just go.
My friend, will you shut up there? Hold on, come back. What is it you want to discuss with me? Make sure it's something meaningful.
Okay. I don't know when it's okay for me to go back to my fashion school. You know, I am yet to complete it. So I need to get done with it so I can start earning a living for myself. At least I will start making dresses for people.
So this is the discussion you want to have with me? Eh? My friend, what? Come on, fashion school, I will get with you. You want to go back to fashion school so I can start making money for myself. Make money for yourself. You're not leaving this house as long as you're married to me. Go and fix my pepper soup. Don't waste my time.
Nai, what have you done? Eh? What have you done? How could you borrow money from the community coffers? Don't you know it comes with huge interest?
See, I am ready and willing to do anything, whatever it takes to take my daughter from that wicked man. Yes.
Nai, you are going to end up disgracing yourself because he married our daughter. So you better return this money. Go and return this money.
You cannot tell me what to do.
Huh?
You cannot. I am going to bring our daughter back to this house. Once I give him this money, then we are good. Yes.
You and who is good? Eh? You and who? Nah, return that money, oh. Return that money, oh. It's not going to turn out the way you're expecting it, oh. It's not going to turn out the way you're expecting it. Nah, take that money back. Take that money back. Hey! What kind of rubbish is this? Community coffers? The interest rate? Hey! Chineke biko nyanumaka biko. What am I going to do now? What will I do?
Come. Where is that daughter of yours?
I'm looking for her.
I was told she has come back home. So, where is she?
Yes, Nine. She has come back home. We were inside together. So she came out. I was just looking for her before you now asked her for her. Azuanoka!
She better don't come to this house today if she values her life.
Nine. How can you say a thing like that? A small girl like that cannot stay outside.
You call that one a small girl? This is how you make her so useless and foolish. Such a stubborn thing. That's what she is. You're looking at me. I regret giving birth to such an abomination.
My daughter is not an abomination. And mind the words you use on her, Obiko. Don't do that.
Then what is she?
Azaloka! Madam, where is that your stubborn daughter? Where is she?
Calm down. What's the problem?
My father met her on the road with your gun. So my father told her to return back the gun to you. She refused. So my father decided to collect the gun from her. She shot my father on the leg.
Yeah.
She shot your father. Hey!
You see?
Hey! This guy will not kill me, oh. This guy will not kill me in this village.
Where is she? Where is she? I want to see her. Where is she? Where is Azaloka?
Hey! Hey!
At the end of the day, you will tell me, oh, she's a small girl.
She has escaped, right? She has escaped.
Hey! Hey!
Why?
Why what?
Why? Why are you doing this to me?
My friend, what is all this why? Why don't you make a complete sentence and stop wasting my time?
Why are you doing this to me? Man. I can remember how you used to follow me around, professing your love for me. What has changed now?
You're asking me? Are you not stupid and dumb to be asking me that? So you actually remembered that there was a time I was begging and you told me in my face that you don't want me. You even made mockery of me. Tell me, what are you doing in my house now? What are you doing here?
You know why I am here. You know. Just allow me go back to my parents' house. Let me go back there, please.
Then what happens to my money? Do you have it? I'm asking you, do you have it? Listen, don't disturb me again tonight. I've made myself clear.
Nine. Do you know where I found her? I saw her at the village square, seated there all alone. And when I asked her, she said she's afraid of you. Imagine.
Oh, she's busy playing with her friends there. Do I need to remind you that your daughter here is a terrible liar?
Nine. I have told you severally not to call my daughter names. Don't call her names. How do you expect her, a small girl, to sleep outside alone? That was the reason I brought her home.
She's not sleeping in this house. She cannot sleep in this house tonight.
Papa, now, sorry. It's a human being that is begging you here. Sorry.
Oh, you must still have mouth to talk, isn't it? You still have mouth to talk. Azanuka, where is my gun?
I lost it in the forest.
You lost what? Hi! You lost my gun. What I used to make money for this family. Oh, you have just started. You must get me that gun. Look, I need that gun.
Nine, please. Let's go to bed and sleep. We need to sleep. In the morning, we'll discuss about it. Let's just get it off our mind now. Let us rest.
Get what off my chest? My source of livelihood. I should get it off my chest just like that. Huh?
Papa, you can just get another gun. Besides, that one is already old. So you don't have to give yourself BP for nothing.
Oh, you call it nothing?
Nah, just relax. Take a chill pill. We need to go in and sleep and talk about this in the morning. Let's get it off our chest.
Get what off my chest? My source of livelihood. I should get it off my chest just like that. Huh?
Papa, you can just get another gun. Besides, that one is already old. So you don't have to give yourself BP for nothing.
Oh, you call it nothing? You call my gun nothing?
Papa. Asano, Nai, come back. It's dead, Asano, Nai. Hey. This girl will not kill me in this house, so this girl will not kill me. People should come back. It's late, Ha. These people are wasting time. I wonder what they are doing outside. Eh?
Mama!
What is it? Why is this blood on your hand? And where is your father?
Papa.
Why are you crying?
Papa is dead.
Oh God, why did you give me such a girl? Why is it that you don't know when to be serious and when to play?
Serious, Papa is dead. He had an accident.
An accident?
Yes, he's dead.
Where? When?
Dead.
Dead, accident. Hey!
Mama, the hatred is too much. The hatred is just too much, Mama.
I thought he said he loves you. And you even told me that he loves you. He has been pestering around you, disturbing you.
You won't believe it, Mama. He is now using that as a revenge against me. He said for all the rejection I meted on him in the past, that he will forever hate me for it.
Then, why did he take you as a wife?
You know why I am here. You already know why I'm here. It's a sacrifice I have made and I don't regret it. By the way, where is Papa? How is he?
That is why I'm here. Your father has made a grievous mistake. I don't know if we are going to come out of this.
What happened? What did he do?
Do you know
Mama? Why is your face like that? Is it about Papa? Mama, you have to take it easy on your cell phone. Take it easy. Papa is dead now. You don't have to worry yourself. He will not come back again. If you like cry till eternity, he will not come back. So you have to just calm down, let it go.
You have killed him.
Me kwa? Me killed Papa? Stop it now. Why will you say something like that? Which one is I've killed Papa? Was I the one that was riding the keke? Or was I the one chasing the little girl? You don't even know that he wanted to kill me. He was chasing me so that he would kill me. What if I died? What if I'm the one that died?
Hi! Honestly, sometimes I cannot help but wonder how I offended God for giving me a disaster like you for a daughter. Your father was right. You are cursed. You are cursed.
Me?
Yes, you! You are!
Me, your daughter, cursed. Me, how can you call me your own daughter, your only child, cursed? No wahala. No problem, oh. You are not talking like Papa. It's like his spirit entered you. No problem. You are right. No wahala.
Azanuka, it's better you get out of my sight. Else, I will use my hand to do what? To kill you. You said your father wanted to kill you, right? I will be the one to perfect that work. Mama, better get out of my sight.
Wait. Don't tell me you want to commit murder. You cannot wait, first of all. Papa is no more. As it's just two of us in this house, let's unite. Let's be one family, Let's just, all these sweet things, mother and daughter, let's just do it. Nothing. No space for hatred or anything. Thank God me, I can now shoot. So I can take over the hunting business and feed us.
You can shoot?
I'm telling you. You know see what happened earlier? How I shot that man's leg. You know see it? I can shoot now. Better like I can set my target. Fire it.
Hey! I said it. You are cursed. So you are even proud to say that you shot somebody. You are not ashamed of saying that.
I'm not saying it like I'm proud. I'm just saying it like to give you an example. Since I can shoot somebody, I can shoot animal. That's what I'm trying to say. Not like I want to shoot somebody. No, that's not what I mean.
Azanuka, get out of my sight. Get out of my sight before I lose. Get out!
Mama, wait now. Your body to the pepper yourself. Mama, wait now. Your body to the pepper you. Wait, why I'm even here because I'm hungry. There's no food.
You're hungry? Who will give you food?
Who else? You now.
Me will give you food. As what?
Are you not the one that will give me food?
Azanuka, get out of here. Get out! Get out! What is wrong with you, girl? Get out of my sight! I said, get out.
Mama, it's okay for you.
Okay, come and eat the one you cooked. Come and eat. Or you go and eat your father's corpse. Since you want to eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You are hungry? Oh, I even forgot. Nemo, Asawa, Amalicha. Come and eat, eh? I prepared something for you. I even forgot. Come and eat.
I don't want to give me food. Go and make food. Come and eat.
But I'm the one that will prepare food for you. I'm the one that will cater for your needs. I've already prepared food. Come and eat. Mama, Amalicha. Come and eat. Maybe it's your father's dead body that you will eat this time around. Let me see you anywhere near here. Come and eat. I'm hungry. Hey, God. How did I offend you? How? Hey. Azanuka.
Where on earth is such nonsense done, Uzodi? I gave him the money complete.
That man paid the bride price of your daughter. And it's only your daughter that will come to us and say, I don't want this marriage again, before you can do anything.
My daughter is obviously not happy in that marriage. She only went there because of me. And now I want to save her from it.
I understand everything that you are trying to say. But my question is, have you spoken to your daughter about this?
Not yet. But my daughter is aware that I can do anything to save her from that charade called marriage. Uzodi, please. I need you to help me. Let us organize and return this bride price to Osondo.
Uchendu, you know I'm your friend and brother. And anything you want me to help you to do, I will always do it. Me, I wasn't happy with the marriage initially. But what can I do? But the truth still remains that only your daughter has the final say. And I want you to understand that.
Azuanoka, you should start going home. Your mother will soon start looking for you.
I don't know if you're even listening to me at all. I don't know. I said my mother told me to leave. That she doesn't want me again. My plans are to just come to your house. Tell your mother she will adopt me. I will become your sister. Or you don't want me to become your sister.
Azo, you know me, I don't have any problem with that though. But my parents will not accept that. Your mother is still alive.
When she's telling me that she doesn't need me, you're telling me she's still alive. Okay.
And I'm also telling you that my parents will not even accept it.
No, I'll go meet another person. Another mother or father will adopt me. Don't worry.
Hey, Azuanoka, you're very, very stubborn. So let me tell you, better start going to your house because I know your mother will soon come to my house in search of you. I don't want problem.
How did you even become friends? Like, I'm just rethinking it now, rethinking everything. How did we become friends? Because you are just a disappointment. I don't even want your friendship again. I don't want anything about you again. Go!
Azuanoka, you're very stubborn. You don't listen. It's only a good friend that will tell you the truth, no matter how bitter it might sound. Go to your house. Go and meet your parents. Stop being stubborn. This your two legs. Stay one place, Azuanoka. Ne piare. Go home. And I don't want to see you in my house again.
Because I gave you the opportunity. The opportunity to be my friend. I'm misusing it. I don't believe it.
You better go and bring that girl back home before it's too late.
Do you know what she did? You're asking me to get her back. Do you know what she did?
No matter what, Obiageri, she's your child. She's your child. If the case may ask you, is this what you will be saying?
She made me angry. And you know what I've passed through because of that girl.
I understand, my friend. Awotaram. But still, you need to bring her back home. I know how you feel as a mother. I know the pain she might have caused you. But all the same, you don't have to throw her away just like that. Please, go and bring her home. That is my little advice for you. Oh, Biko. I understand. Biko, please. Biko, ọkwa na azụ anụ ụka, ọkwa afọ enyere ya. Ọwa afọ ahụ na-esoni ya, azụ anụ ụka. Ọ na-anụkwa n'ihe. O nwere ọnụ ntị nụ. So what do we do? Biko, please, just bring your mind down. Go and get her back home. She's your child. I believe that one day she's going to change. Oh, name Biko, please, The bushmeat is ready.
Yes. Mama. You have to come with me right now.
Come with you to where?
Yes.
What happened?
Something just happened to your father.
What? My father?
Yes.
Let's go.
And where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
Did you not hear what she said? She said, my father is in trouble. I have to go with her.
If you step an inch out of this place, I promise you I'll deal with you.
Please, I'm sorry, I have to go. Let's go.
Uma, come back here. Come back here. Oh, you have now grown wings. Okay, go and come back. I'm waiting for you. Akwekagaka.
Where do you think you're going? Eh?
I want to urinate.
You want to urinate? Since when do people run to urinate? Eh?
I not run. No. I just want to go to that side.
You said your mother sent you to come and eat whatever you like in my shop. That she's coming to pay. So where is she now?
Let me rush and go and call her now.
But you said she's in the farm.
Yes.
So
yes.
How comes you're going to call her?
I want to rush to the farm and call her.
You know what? We are going to your house now. Let me go and meet your mother so I can get my money from her.
No, need of going to our house. Please, auntie, do you have any chores I can help you? I can wash plate. I can wash dirty clothes. I can sweep. I can do anything for free for 1 week.
But what is that your name, Seth? Azanoka. Do I look like I'm joking?
But please, I can sweep your show for you. Please now.
Madam, I don't need your services. Eh? You know what? Now, Oya, move. Auntie,
please now. Auntie.
I need my money. I know you are lying to me. Who knows what happened?
Oh!
I know you are lying to me.
Leave me now.
Kuroya! Do you imagine?
Huh? Ijemma, what happened?
Your daughter came to my shop to eat bread and mineral. She said you asked her to come and eat.
How could I? Eh? How could I ask her to come and eat such thing? When I already cooked in the house. We have food. Homemade food.
Thank God you said you cooked food. When I asked you for food, what did you say? You refused to give me food. So I went to the person I know that can collect the money from you. And I ate better food there.
Nne, how old do you say this girl is? Eh? Hey! Look at her eyes. Eh?
My sister.
Chimo!
You have seen what I am going through in this house. What I'm passing through.
Hey!
Anyway. How much is the money?
500.
Eh? 5 guinea. for that big coke and bread, small bread like that. Only.
Come on, shut up! Will you shut up your mouth? Just say pay me again, we'll see what I'll do to you. One big coke and the bread.
No, wait, let me tell you. The next time you come to my shop to lie to me again,
Baby, you don't cast that. What will you do now? What will
you do? You go pay now, man.
Come and beat me now. Come and beat me in my mother's house. Come and beat me. That bread is not even that is fresh. One nonsense bread. I'm making now.
If you say pim here again, you see what I will do to you.
Did she say anything?
No.
Better. Take heart,
Thank you, Bye bye.
But Mama, this man, things are expensive. You see the coke and a bread, one bread like this, and it's not even fresh. I'm telling you, it's not fresh and it's not sweet.
So you still have the mouth to say something? Eh?
No.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry.
See, if I forget this my hand on your face, if you take mirror and look at yourself, you will not recognize yourself again. You still have the mouth to say something. You still have the mouth to talk. Go ahead. Disgrace yourself in this entire village. It's not me that you are disgracing. It's yourself. One bingo. One more here.
Correct yourself. Which one is the one bingo? Now, if I'm one bingo and one noya, that means you are bingo and the anoya. If I'm the one, you are the
anoya. Come and call me one noya. Come here.
Mama, I want to talk about my adventure into this Sudan woman forest. Did I tell you?
I'm not interested. Azo, I am not interested. Just eat your food.
Mama, I saw lion. Big lion. Hey! Live lion. The lion was coming. Lion was coming. Lion was coming. He was looking at my eyes. Lion was coming. He was like this. If you see me, I strong girl. Forget to.
I said I am not interested. I don't want to hear. Save your strength. Okay.
Mama, I don't know when you allow me to go back there again. At least to look for Papa's gun. Because I left it there when I was running from one big elephant. Jesus. If you see this elephant, hey! Mama, if you see this elephant, as I saw it like this, I couldn't even stand. I was like, what is this? Hey! Now,
will you shut up? Shut up! One more word from you, One more word from you. I will carry this food and you will go on empty stomach throughout today. Even tomorrow, I will not give you anything to eat. Is it by force to listen to story? Nonsense story.
Mama. Can you at least allow me to go and visit that man that I shot his leg? I'm done with this.
I am really sorry for what happened. I am deeply sorry. I mean, the news came to me as a shock. Chai, Uchendo was a wonderful father-in-law to me. Life is indeed fast fleeting. Hi. Ndono. Ma, I have come to take you home with me.
What? Osondo. You've come to take someone that's just lost her father. Chere? Ihi ikuru. Oye buregu.
Wait, I want to understand. Is she not my wife? Pico, explain to me.
No matter what, you don't have right to come and take her. She's not done mourning her father.
My own property.
Mama.
She just lost her father.
My own property.
Mama, it's okay.
Leave me alone.
It's okay.
It's okay what? That you will live with him now. Meaning what, Osondo?
I was not expecting this insult and nonsense from your mother.
Please. I am so sorry, my husband. I'm sorry for the outburst, please. You want us to go now?
No. I want to understand how and where I have wronged your mother. That will warrant her to insult me and embarrass me in this manner.
Please, I am sorry.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Mama, to go now. It's okay.
Sorry for what?
It's okay. Please, I'm so sorry. I will just get ready and then go with you. Eh?
Sit down here. And if you embarrassing. And if you embarrassing. So you're this heartless. You don't even have conscience for the dead.
It's okay. But please, I was not the one that killed your husband. Let it not be that I am what you said. Ma, you can stay back for today. But I don't want to look for you when tomorrow comes. I'll take my leave.
He's mocking me. He is mocking me. Oh!
Your mother is right now. She's waiting for you to come back from the errand she sent you.
So what is your problem? Is it your business? Madam, is it your business?
Better go and give that woman what she asked you to buy you. Stop playing. I got the wine.
What did you just call me?
I got the wine now, go fit.
Me?
Aside causing problems and commotions everywhere. No wonder you failed our last time examination. I say you're on the lotto. Yes. Hey, Aswan Luka, anywhere I see you in this village, I will kill you. Hey, hey, look at this small girl beating like this. It's yours. Hey!
Play. This kind of game where they share. General, everybody. Oh yeah. General again. Did wait to? Oh yeah, come on, pick. General last card. Make una gen. When I count the game. No, they look me. Oh yeah now. Hey! Guy, you carry Juju they play game. Where the television where you want use bet? I they ask you, they look me.
It's at home.
You say waiting? That is, you leave television for house, come here, come use and debate.
But I cannot carry it anywhere I'm home now. Is it?
Look at this one.
Okay, I go follow you personally,
go your house, go pick the television. Let's go.
Yes.
You cannot follow me to my house because the television is not my own.
Come. No, I go if no provoke me. Oh. No even try that nonsense. Stand up more they go.
Oh, you check on that. If I take that kind of television on my own, you go believe. It's for my mommy now.
See, no use us play. Oh. We look like your mate. Eh? My friend, get up, let me go your house. Say it's your mommy. If I send you now, you go. My friend, come get up. Let's go. Go carry and come.
The television is for my
Carry front, they go. They waka.
Isn't it? How are you holding up?
The Lord is my strength too.
Amen. I strongly believe with you that the Lord is your strength. Uchendu's death has left a big hole in my heart. Uchendu was a very good man in those days when he was still alive. In fact, I'm so sad about the death. So take it easy, my dear.
It's well.
It's well also, and I pray for God to give you the strength to bear the lost.
Thank you so much.
I am here on behalf of the community leaders to inform you about the loan given to your husband is still valid. And you are now mandated to pay the loan soonest.
No. The loan my husband borrowed from the community, even in debt, I will pay the loan.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Well, the reason we give loans to people with family is that in terms of debt, the family will be responsible to pay the loan. So you have to know what to do in order to pay the loan. It is constitutional. You are not the first person, the second person, nor the third person, and you are not going to be the last. So you have to cope up, eh?
I heard you all.
Listen, I have to take my leave. Bye-bye, eh? Yeah? Just hold yourself.
It is constitutional. Somebody borrowed money from his community. The person died, and the community is requiring the money from the family. Oh my goodness, I told him.
Coming with the receipt.
That's the receipt.
What is happening? What is going on here? Huh?
Who are these people? And why are you people here?
Good day, madam.
What are people doing here with my television?
Ask your daughter now.
I should ask my daughter. Okay, my daughter, I ask you, who are these people and what are they doing here with my television?
Mama, they are from the government.
Which government?
Like they are from the Lotto company.
What are you even talking about? I
Madam.
don't understand.
Madam, your daughter here gamble with us and we won your television, that means this television is our own and she has given us receipt. Yes.
This television is... Let me see the receipt she gave to you.
There's no need, now our own.
Let me tell you. I know you very well. I know both of you and your parents. If you don't drop this television for me, give me my receipt. I will report you to the police or even report you to Igwe. Because...
Nah, police don't enter this case, so my hand know them. They go drop this television.
Look at them. Look at him.
Make I tell you, you don't enter my 20 leaves. No problem. You go collect with you. Take them. Where could they go?
How many? Hey! Can you just listen to yourself? I should have left the television. You will gamble it back and get it back. Where? What do you mean by this? You this guy.
Let me talk about that.
What is it? Biko, just bring down your voice. I beg of you, Biko. Thank God she's not at home. Thank God she's not at home. I would have dealt with her seriously. Imagine the bucket I just bought last week got broken, all because your daughter pushed it off my daughter's head. Can you just imagine? Do you know that she did not even tell me that something like that happened? Biko, warn her to stay away from my daughter Amuche. Warn her. Ijema. It has not gotten to that. Your daughter and mine are best of friends, so you don't have to warn me to... Friend, okay? There is an end to any relationship. There is always an end in any friendship. Let her stay clear from my home. I've warned her. Anytime I see her stinking leg in my house again, I'm going to cut it off. Ask Kwana Magwaragi. You know, you and I have a very good relationship. Don't allow your daughter to separate our relationship. Don't allow her to come in between us. Let her mind herself. Let her take time with me. I will not take it lightly with her. The next time I will see her leg in my house again, she will not like what I will do to her. Ijemma, it has not gotten to this. Hey, Azuanoka, this girl will not kill me. She will not kill me in this house. Every day, from one problem to the other, What do we call this? Just imagine. Stupid name. The name is following her. Azuade Anuzioka.
Mama? Huh? Mama, you didn't tell me you were coming. I know. But, Mama, this is not the right time for you to be here right now. At all. Because my husband is very mad at me right now.
What happened?
I went to the salon. I wanted to make my hair. But my husband came and then saw a man wanting to make the hair. And he got angry. He fled up and then dragged me back home. I ended up not even making the hair again. He's very angry at me right now.
Ma, you know I wouldn't have been here if it's not important. The people your father borrowed money from, the community, they came to our house requesting that we should pay the money. That is the reason I'm here.
What, Mama? How insensitive can these people be? Asking us to repay a loan taken by a dead man. Just that.
My daughter, I told them, they already know the story. But they said that They give him the loan because he is a family man. That's the reason why they give loan to family people is if the man did not pay, the children and the wife will pay.
Hey. Oh.
My daughter, they said that they will arrest us if we did not pay the money.
What?
Yes.
Huh. This is serious. Hey. What kind of problem is this now?
Yeah. Isn't it? This is 15,000 naira. This is all I could come up with. I thought I would have gotten more. But you know the present situation in this village, how tough and difficult it is. So please, manage this one. Manage it, oh?
Thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me, Ezine. Why would you be thanking me for a mere 15,000 naira? Actually, I feel very, very ashamed of myself that at this point that you need help, this is all I could come up with. Just manage it, oh? You know, God knows I tried warning your late husband, who was my brother, trying to discourage him from taking that loan. But he didn't listen, knowing the kind of man that he is, very stubborn at that. Now look at the situation.
I did all I could as his wife, but he wouldn't listen to me. Look at the condition he has gotten me into. Now he is gone, leaving me to suffer alone.
All is well, isn't it? All is well. But come, how about your in-law? Have you spoken to him about this condition?
My in-law? Nai, you know the condition he married my daughter.
Yes.
I don't want to ask him for anything before he asks for my kidney in return.
Oh.
I don't need anything from him. Thank you for the little offer. I know this is going to go a long way for me.
I hope so.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Thank you, oh. The Lord is your strength. One.
My sister, what does Osondu really want? AJ, you know you are one of the few people that knows the real father of Azuanoka. So, is he asking of his child? Not yet. But I'm afraid that he will ask after her soon. So, I'm just confused, worried and scared. I don't know what her reaction will be. But you know, I used to tell you these things. You need to tell your daughter who her real father is. She needs to know. She's old enough to know. Okay, your husband is dead. Which means you don't need to be scared or get worried on how he's going to feel about the news. Let her know who her father is. Oh? I know. I'm not worried after my husband's sake. It's about my daughter. I'm scared. I don't know what her reaction will be. Okay, now, if Osondu happens to tell her himself, do you think your daughter will forgive you? He will not forgive you. Your daughter will never forgive you. By the way, where is she now?
She went to the farm. I sent her to do the weeding for me since she did not go to school today.
My husband, I know this will be asking for too much, but I have no one else to run to. My mother and I are in serious trouble. The loan my father took to settle you on my behalf was stolen by the people that got him killed. And now that he's dead, the community came asking for their money. They want us to pay back the money and we don't have it.
You see that? You see the stupid, stubborn man you had as a father? How can he go and borrow money to offset a loan? Who does that? Isn't that foolishness?
No, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Now look at the trouble he has gotten you and your mother into. And I'm sure you were so happy and excited when he came to me to pay back the money so that he can take you home.
No. I wasn't in support of it. I was against it. That is why he decided to return the money. Please.
I still can't believe how bold that ungrateful man was when he walked up to me at my shop, compelling me to accept the money back so that he can go home with you. If that money were to be loaned, you know it will be double by now.
Please.
That was very stupid and foolish of him, thinking that he will pay me back the money I paid for your bride. Twice.
Please, my husband, I am asking that you help us. Please help us. We need to repay the loan and I don't have the money.
What are you asking for?
I'm asking that you help us repay the loan. Help us again, please. You're the only one I have. I have no other one.
You're asking to enter into another bondage with me. What do you have that will serve as collateral? Your breast? Your kidney? Eh? What do you have?
Azo, there is something I want to discuss with you.
That I will not eat for 3 days now. Eh? Let me even tell you my own self. I'm having ulcer already. I'm having ulcer. In case you are planning on starving me to death.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you even deserve to eat? Do you? Is there any day you don't give me problem in this house? 1 week, one trouble. 1 day, one trouble. Every day. Just look at your head. Your leg. It's one of your problems. Anyway, it is not what I want to.
Sorry for the interruption. Continue.
Anyway, it is not what I want to discuss with you. I want to discuss with you about your late father. What I mean here is, he is not your real father. Your real father is still alive.
This is my mother said, sometimes the way you talk, it's so funny, I swear. Which one is that? It's not my father again. Are you my father? Eh? Wait, is it because of all those times that you're wishing that he's not my father? He was just joking now. You took it serious. He was just joking now, you should know. Or are you the one that is my father? You be my mother and my father too.
See, Azo, I am not joking. I am serious. I have never been this serious. Your real father is still alive, hell and healthy. He's somewhere. I am sorry I have not told you all this before now, but I was scared. I didn't know how you will react to it.
Okay, who is my father? Who is my real father?
Don't worry about your father. He is somewhere.
In heaven or earth?
On earth. I'm not joking.
You're
Believe
serious?
me. Yes, I'm not joking.
Hey, good. Good, 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 good.
Who is here? Huh? I am there.
Ogo, you're welcome. No.
Your daughter told me what happened. And I am here once again as the only man who can render help to your family in this whole world. The only man you and your late husband despise so much is here to save the day once again.
No, we don't despise you. Yes.
Will you shut up? Shut up if you don't know what to say. One more word from you, I will leave this place.
Please, my in-law, Ogo, don't leave. Please don't leave. In fact, come inside. You don't have to stay outside. Let's go inside.
If not that your husband became sick and needed help, would you have given me audience or opportunity with your daughter? I don't think so. You're here lying about that you never despised me. Something you know that is very obvious. Yes, I am here. The only man who can help. And a query. Welcome, come and show me the people that your husband borrowed money from. Let me start settling them.
Hey, I'm coming. My in-law. Okay, thank you, sir.
Don't waste my time because
let me.
Azu. What is this? Where are you going to?
I'm going to my father's house. So where does this stay so that I'll be going? What time?
Hey. Azu, did I tell you that I will take you to him today?
I don't understand. The man I was thinking was my father. He's dead. Do you want this one that is my real father now to die before you take me to him?
Will you shut up your mouth? You have to wait. Anyway, don't worry. I will take you to him, but it's not today.
When? Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. Anytime I decide to take you to him, I will do that, but not today.
Anytime you decide?
Now.
Are you the one that will decide for me? Are you the one going there? Is it not me? I will want to decide. So it's either today or tomorrow.
I told you that I am the one to decide. First of all, you have to take this bag inside the house. When I decide, I will let you know.
No. You have to take me there. I'm the one that will decide. You have to take me there today or tomorrow.
Okay. If you are the one to decide, go. Do you even know who he is? Am I not the one to show you the person? So I will decide. So when I decide, that's when you will go with me. Carry your bag and go inside, please. Stop stressing me and disturbing me.
For your mind now, you can control me or decide for me. For your mind.
In this one now, this particular one, I will control you and decide for you.
Not like I cannot go. Not like I cannot go. If I like step, I'll go outside there and ask questions.
If you ask questions, who will tell you? Because I'm the only person that knows who he is.
So I'll do fast and come and take me.
Carry your bag and go inside.
Now that I have settled your father's debt twice, I want you to know that I do not only own you. You will stay here and work and make money to pay me back.
Sir, there's no problem at all. There's no problem. Anything you want me to do.
Who is sir?
I'm sorry, my husband. Whatever you want me to do to make that money back for you, I will do it. Just tell me what you want me to do.
I am not the one to tell you what to do. You know what other women are doing out there to make money. Just go out and make money and pay me back my money. Be productive in this house for once.
My husband, do you know what you're subjecting me into? Like asking me to go out there and do what other women are doing.
I don't care. Just go out there and make money. As a matter of fact, I want you to start tomorrow. Go out there and do something and make money. Stop wasting my time. Are you still standing there? You better go inside and start thinking of what to do to make money. You think it's easy to marry or something? Or brother, Madam TL makes extra meat because you have the money.
What is it? Who is after you?
I need to leave this village. I need to leave this village. No.
Why?
This village is not safe for me.
Why?
Mama, my life is in danger.
How is your life in danger?
So, why will you ask me that kind of question? Are you not the one that asked those boys to keep that television? What were you expecting them to do to me if they see me?
Oh, you know that they are bad boys, yet you choose to mingle with them. Tell me one single relationship that you've had recently that is good. Just mention one, only one. I'm not talking about two. Eh? You only choose to mingle with irresponsible people. Look at you now. Eh?
Mama, please. Just go and hide me somewhere safe, please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
To hide you somewhere safe?
Yes.
Eh? What about your real father you asked me to introduce you to?
That is why I want to leave. I want to be alive to see him. Please now, Mama.
You want to be alive and see him. Still, you mingle with irresponsible people. Okay, don't worry about those boys. I will report them to Igwe or police. The police people, yes.
You want them to kill me?
Kill you how?
You don't know they kill for a living.
They kill for a living and still you mingle with them. Eh? Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Shut up! Ah! What is all this? You want me to... Okay, you want me to hide you, right? This drone now and this drone. Choose one. Which one do you want me to hide you inside? Choose one. This one now and that one. Choose one.
They're coming.
Hey! Azu! Look at this girl, oh. You are doing me hide and seek. I'll kill you in this house. Come here! Azu!
Yeah, no problem. I will definitely...
Oh my God! Jesus Christ! What did I just do? Jesus Christ! Jesus!
okay. Sorry for gambling with you people. But you know that television is not my own. I cannot give it to you like that.
You know, say that television not be your own. You remember, say I asked you, are you the full owner chief of that television? What you tell me?
Yes, and I know now. You asked me, but I was just trying to play the same thing that other people have been doing. Let me know if I'll get small money now. That's what I was just trying to do. Not like I want to steal or do anything.
Look, my friend, you don't buy market. See, I don't go for market. Check that television full price. Now 100K.
Ah, you not rich now.
What is that? See, that means you are owing me 100K cash.
Yes, and you must give us the money now and here.
No, I've not seen that kind of money before in my life. How I give you that kind of money now? I've not seen it in my life before now. Please now. Please, oh yeah, sorry. I will not do it again, please.
See, look at this one. Oh. You think say we dey hear the joke? See, by the time we cut off your tongue, you go know say we know the joke here at all.
Okay, beg now. What do you want me to do now? Should I go carry the television? I don't know who start shouting now. I don't know what to do again.
Okay. I will give you time to come up with the money. And this time, if you fail, I don't get any other option than to kill you and kill your mother. You hear them?
And see, let me warn you. If you ever report this thing to your mother, we go first kill her before we kill you.
You better find her, man. They play gamble.
Azanuka! Where is this girl? And why did she leave her food open? Huh? Ha! This girl will not kill me in this house. What is wrong with her? Azanuka! Azanuka! Where did you go?
I want to use myself.
You want to ease yourself?
I want to use myself. I went to the bush. So I attacked the bush.
You went to the bush and you attacked the bush. Since when did you start going to the bush to ease yourself? What happened to the restroom here?
It's today. Like, no. This one now. I don't want to use it because I want to use bush today.
Hi. You want to use bush today? This is a bush. Why didn't you use this one that is close to the house?
It's because this one is in the compound. And me, I want to use outside because if I use this one now, the smell will be coming inside the house.
Azo,
Ma?
Is that the reason you left your food uncovered?
Uncovered? Okay. I do not remember. The thing was just so different. I was having running stomach, so I just left. I do not know safe.
Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Very, very okay.
You are very, very okay?
Yes.
Azo, is either something is wrong with you or you are wrong with something. But that thing that is wrong with you, I will soon find out.
Okay.
You said okay, ma?
I said okay.
You are not well. You are not well.
So you have the guts to break my daughter's legs? Huh?
Sir, I am so sorry. It wasn't intentional. I didn't see her coming before knocking her down. I am sincerely sorry, sir. Please.
I have nothing to say for now. Let me reserve my comment until my daughter is discharged from the hospital. I rest my case for now.
What? That is impossible.
Listen, Ezinne, I am not here to argue or debate with you. You and your daughter has huge debt to pay to me, of which you know it is impossible for you to come up with the money. Even till the end of this life, till infinity. So the only option left for you is to allow me to take full custody of your daughter, so that I can give her hand in marriage to that young man who will settle me of whatever balance she's owing me.
Please. You can't do that to me, please. You are not her father, but her husband. How can?
I am not dragging that with you. I am only concerned about my money. I am no longer interested in a woman who doesn't have legs anymore.
Huh?
Tell me which suitor out there in the world will come close, even 10 feet close to a woman in that condition. So, the only option you have is allow me to give her hand in marriage to a man who will settle me. Simple. Just like ABC. Simple. I hope I've made myself clear on this issue.
Please don't do this. Chai. Chai. Isike. Isike Memaro. Poverty has dealt with me. Who will I run to? Where am I going to? What am I going to do? Who will I run to for help? Hi!
Oh my God. Now, wow. Honestly, bro, I don't know what to do right now. Yes, the doctor just confirmed that she can't walk anymore. I took her to another hospital and the second doctor confirmed the same thing. He said the same thing, that she can't walk anymore.
What type of problem is this now? And how is her people taking it?
The father attacked me. Yes, he almost punched my eyes. He said he was going to revenge, do to me what I did to their daughter.
But he's not going to get anything by breaking your 2 legs now.
I don't know. I don't know what is on his mind. I can't read his mind. What? Of course. How can you suggest such a thing? I should jabba and leave someone's daughter at the hospital in pains. You needed to see the torture on her face. You needed to see the pains that girl was going through. I couldn't bear it. The pains was just too terrible. It was too much.
You just said that her father is threatening to break your 2 legs. I'm going to withstand that.
I don't care. If they want to cut off my legs, let them cut my legs off. If they want my hands as well. I can't just phantom that the reality of the pains that girl is going through there.
You can see the condition you have gotten her into. She can no longer walk, which means she can no longer do anything for herself. You have ruined her. You have finished her life.
Please, sir. I am sorry. It wasn't intentional. Please, my dear. I am sincerely sorry for what I did to you. I didn't see you coming before knocking you down. Please. I am sorry.
This is not a matter of apology. This is beyond apology.
I know, sir.
But I needed to apologize as many times as possible for what I did to her. If such happens to me, I don't even know if I will survive it. It saddens my heart to see a beautiful girl like this in this condition. I'm so sorry. Please.
Speaking about what you're going to do for peace to reign, you are going to give me 1 million naira and take her as your wife.
Huh?
I am considering paying the money to take her as my wife.
What? You can't do that. That is insane.
Yeah, I know. But the truth is, I became attracted to this girl from the first day I set my eyes on her, after hitting her with my car.
Mike, you can't possibly marry this girl. You barely know her.
Yeah, I know. And that was why it became a difficult decision for me to make. I just hope she accepts me the same way I have accepted her.
And you know your people won't consent to this. This is insane.
Edwin, I am the one marrying that girl, not my people. They will accept, that's for sure. Yes.
Nne, ị nụkwara nke na-eme?
Gba m ọkpa n'eze.
Hey! Also now, he's about giving out his wife hand in marriage.
Excuse me, hold on. What kind of a mix-up is that?
Chibo.
How possible can that be?
You can ask that again. No?
Wait. How can someone give his wife out for marriage or in marriage? How can?
My sister, you see that woman, Ezine? That woman and her daughter has suffered so much in this life. You know how he got married to her daughter now?
I know. Osonda. That wicked man. That useless, senseless, shameless and worthless man. Honestly, when I come to think of it, I cannot help but to regret for allowing him impregnate me before my husband came and asked for my hand in marriage.
It's God that saved you. That man is evil. But anyway, that wouldn't stop you from introducing him to his daughter.
Yeah, I know.
Have that in your mind.
It's only that I feel bad for our lines crossing. I regret it.
Arrow.
But this one you said now, eh? Hey!
Abomination.
Is it not insane? Eh? How can someone do that? Marry out your wife, your own wife, to another person. There is nothing one will not hear in this world. Huh? Hey! Osondo.
Okay, God forbid.
He is senseless and stupid and worthless.
Please, my daughter. Please. You have to calm down. You have to calm down. Consider your health condition. Biko, no one biko.
No, Mama.
Biko.
No.
Hey.
Mama, I've had enough. It's enough. He needs to put a stop to all this madness. In fact, I am leaving this house. I need to go back to my father's house.
Huh? You know that is not possible. With what you are going through here, I would be very glad to have you back home.
What have I done to Osund? What have I done to him? That I rejected him while he was lusting after me. Is that why he wants to destroy my life? What is my crime, Mama? Why is he doing this to me?
My daughter, did nothing. You did nothing. It is my fault and that of your late father. Yes. If we had built our finance enough to carry our family, you wouldn't have go out to beg Osondo or whoever he called himself. Please, stop. Eh?
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. You and Papa tried your best. Yes, you were never lazy. At least you still work at people's farms just to raise money. Mama, you tried your best. Papa tried his best. It is only God that blesses the man. I guess in our own case, he didn't come through for us. Maybe we were not really lucky. That is why I am in this situation. That is why I'm suffering like this. Don't blame yourself, Mama. And now, this man that calls himself my husband is giving me out to another man. Someone I know nothing about. A total stranger. Mama, please don't let this happen to me. Eh? Just talk to my uncles, talk to anybody, anyone. I need help. I need help. Please don't let this happen to me, Mama.
My daughter, I have done that already. I spoke to them. It was your uncle, Udodi, that called them for a meeting. But they said they can't do anything. They don't have money. They have their own problem in their various homes. And you know, my people, they don't interfere in a case that concerns women. They value men more, and you know it.
Mama, so in other words, I am now enslaved to Osondo. Is it not better I kill myself?
No. My daughter, please don't say that. You can't destroy yourself. You can't destroy us. Eh?
Mama, can't you see we are destroyed already? We are destroyed. Look at me. Just take a look at me. Look at the condition I am in.
I thought of that. But I see that is not the best solution. It's not the best thing to do. I have to be strong. I have to be strong for us. I have to be strong for you. Please. We have to be strong to win this battle. We cannot allow the world to win us. We have to trust in God. We have to stand that one day God will surely see us through. Please.
Nothing can be done, right? I'm just going to move into another stranger's house. Okay. Okay, Mama. It's fine.
The young man that got you into this condition will be coming this weekend with his people to see me. He is not from this village. So, on no account must you make him know that you are not my biological daughter, or that I'm not your biological father. If you do, then get ready to spend the rest of your life in jail. Because that is the only place I can put you, since I know you cannot pay me back my money.
Why don't you just kill me already? Kill me! Just murder me. What have you not done to me? Have you not gotten enough revenge? Have you not? Why don't you just kill me and be satisfied? Kill me!
Then what happens to my money? I will not bat an eyelid if killing you is an option presented to me. Luckily, I have to keep you alive so that I will be hopeful that I will recover my money.
You are evil! You are evil. God will judge you. My God in heaven will pay you in full. You will never see anything good in your life. Mark my words. Nothing good will ever come your way.
Go and get me food to eat. Oh, I almost forgot that you are completely useless. So let me go and fix my own food. My boy,
I heard everything you said.
What did you hear?
What were you telling that your friend? I think I did not hear it. You were telling her about my father. So is that mechanic man that is my father?
Wait. Azu, so you were listening to our conversation. Is that the right thing for a child to do?
Who's a child? Who's a child? Who's a good child? Did I tell you I want to be a good child here? See, I'm going to meet him. That's the fight now. Now that I know him, I'll go and meet him. That is the end.
You will do no such thing.
Why?
You will not go and meet him.
Why?
Your father is an evil man.
No. Let him be an evil man. Me, I like evil men. Me, safe, I'm evil. He's evil. So we'll jam together. It's good match. I'm going to meet him.
If I slap you,
Slap me now. Slap me. I'm going to meet him.
Azu, come here.
Come back here.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Good morning, my wife. Uriako.
Also, your wife? Have you gone to drink this early morning?
Says who? Of course you're my wife. Especially for today.
I don't understand.
Don't worry, I will break it down for you in a minute. That boy is coming to my house today with his people. So I need you to be by my side as my wife.
I can't be there.
You can't be there?
Never.
Okay. Do you have my money? Do you have my money? Who is Mongo Park? He died at Busa. Do you have my money?
Osondo.
Osonwu.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to my family? Why are you being evil? Why are you being evil to my family? What have we done to you? Where have we wronged you?
I am not here to banter wars with you, okay? As long as you don't have my money yet, kindly get inside and dress up and follow me home. We need to make some appearances, especially today. Don't ruin it. Don't ruin it for me. I'm waiting for you in my car.
This girl. Eh? Is there any time I will send this girl to somewhere and she will come without wasting my time? What is keeping her? Azanoka, what kept you so long? Is there any time I will ask you to go and buy something for me without you wasting my time? Eh? Why is it that you always prove to be senseless, useless, stupid and...
Calm down. Calm down. Never reach the cough. Let me tell you, Mama. The thing is that as I was going, I met some of my my old classmates. So we're just discussing, we're just talking about our primary school and all that, all this, Mama,
So you left what I asked you to buy and went to do reunion with useless friends?
Madam, no useless. Sit down, let me just see. Sit down. They are not useless, so... Hey! Mama, some of them are successful groundnut seller. I swear. Mama, there's this one I know. She's into Aki business full time and she's cashing out.
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
So you're even proud of yourself too?
I'm proud of them. Not be even myself. I'm proud of them. They're cashing out daily.
Azanoka,
Mama.
Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, now.
Why are you proud of them? When your friends are making fruitless efforts, you say that they are cashing out. What are they cashing out? You should be ashamed of yourself to voice it out.
You don't understand this thing. No? I'm telling you that somebody's making money every day. You're selling fruitless. I've been a fruitless. Who fruitless help? Who that one help?
Please, I don't have time for your running mouth and all the rest of them. Just give me the kerosene I asked you to buy for me. Give it to me.
But kerosene.
What do you mean, hey, kerosene?
Is it kerosene inside Shuba?
What did you buy? What is inside this nylon? Give it to me.
I don't know it's kerosene inside Shuba. You were complaining about cockroach in the kitchen. You not say you will buy your tapia. That is why
Let me have what you mean. You mean to tell me that you bought what? Otapia. Who mentioned Otapia to you?
You were complaining that cockroach is too much in the kitchen. Now that's why I said let me buy it. I never hear when you say I should buy kerosene.
You bought Otapia. Instead of kerosene, I asked you to buy for me to use and cook something.
Hear it.
Do you know what will happen? I'm going to feed you with this Otapia you bought. Come back here. Come and drink it. Come back here. Come back here.
My son. Yes. I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you for being able to provide all the necessary things to fulfill this marriage right. I am hereby handing my daughter Ma's hand in marriage to you. I want you to take good care of her. You can see her condition. So she requires all the love that you can provide for her and attention.
Okay, sir. I've heard you, sir. I promise to do my best. I have to join them now.
Okay, but let your best be good enough.
Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Good night.
Here we are. Welcome to my
humble abode. Feel free, relax, and I am the only one living in this whole house. So, what should I get you? Food or water? I am asking if you need anything. You want food, water, or both?
Whatever.
You mean I should get you whatever I want? Okay, it's okay. It's all right. Just relax, okay? I'll be right back. All right? I'll be back. Please, you need to eat as much as you can. Go. And you need to drink the juice as well.
I don't want.
Listen, Emma. I know how awkward you feel right now. Especially not just coming here on a date with me, but as my wife. I mean, it's crazy, right? But I want you to take it easy on yourself, okay? Everything is gonna be fine.
Can you just stop talking to me? Please, I beg of you.
But?
Please, if you don't want me to eat this food, I can just leave it. I can leave it for you. If you cannot stop talking to me.
Oh, okay, fine. No problem. Time to go to bed. Let me come this way. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. Easy, easy. Come on, just go. Night. Have a sweet dream. Talk to you tomorrow.
What are you doing?
I just want to sleep at the corner of the bed.
Take me out of this bed now.
What?
Let me sleep on the couch.
No way. You know I can't allow you go sleep on the couch with your condition.
Please take me there.
Okay, listen, okay? I just want to sleep here. I promise I won't talk to you or disturb you, just in case you need anything.
I said, take me out of here!
Okay. What if I go sleep on the couch, okay? Would that make you feel better?
This is your house and I do not want to inconvenience you.
No one says you are inconveniencing me in my own house. Okay, I promise. Let me go to the sitting room and sleep on the couch. I will not come into this room until morning. Okay? So, you go back to bed, sleep.
If you need anything, you know what to do. All right? If you need anything, you know what to do. Okay? Just find my number. Good night, sweet dreams. I'll be in the sitting room. Okay? Hey, here you are, babe. I want to let you know I am about going to work. What do I get for you on my way back?
I am not your baby. Please, you have to stop it.
It's okay. It was a slip of. Anyways, I want to remind you your drugs are on the dining. Okay, do not forget to take them in the next 1 hour. That should be 9 a.m. on the dot. All right. So I'll see you when I get back from work. Okay, take care. Just in case you need anything, just holler at your boy. Okay, I'm always at your service. All right, I'll see you later. Okay.
Honestly, Edwina, it has not been easy as I thought. I am not happy at all. I'm not happy.
I understand. What do you expect from a lady who don't have any feelings for you and suddenly you became her husband?
I think she has not forgiven me.
That is also another angle. But you know, she has every reason to be unhappy with everything around you. But you see, my advice to you as a man is you have to be patient and tolerant. That's what I see here.
How else will I make her understand that I am truly sorry for what I did?
You know, I think it's just time. Time, okay? You need to give her some time. You understand? Just come back.
Waiter! Waiter! Don't worry. I'll bring that.
This is not an issue of you bothering yourself. It's fine.
Hey. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Ah. Hope you did not cut yourself. What actually happened? Huh? What happened?
Please, don't touch me. You left this house without coming back to check up on me. Look at it. I've messed the whole place up.
I'm so sorry about that, okay? Actually, I got so much engaged at work that I forgot to come back home during break. I'm so sorry, okay?
No thanks to you.
Okay, do you know what? Don't worry, I'm gonna clean up the whole place. I've been doing this for now, okay? Just stay there. Don't move. Don't move an inch. I'll be back. Don't move an inch. I'll be there right now. I'm so sorry, okay? Oh my God. Hope you did not enjoy yourself. This is not good. I'm so sorry. Just hold them, okay? Just Stay away from there. I'll be back. Here I am. Just gonna mop the whole place dry, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about what happened here. I'm so sorry about it. I'm so sorry. I didn't know to fix this.
Why are you not eating? Please don't keep mute on me, I beg of you. Why are you not eating? Ma, you know you need to eat so you'll be able to take your drugs.
This man, why do you keep disturbing me? Is this salty food tasty? Is it tasty in your mouth?
What? Huh? This... No, it actually do taste nicer. Both plates are from the same pot. Are you sure you... This morning?
Leave me the head alone! Just go ahead and eat your food. Food is not my problem right now. Eat your food. Leave me alone.
It's all right. Maybe I should go to a nearby restaurant, get you something else to eat.
Please. Just leave me alone already. Leave me. Take it. Eat. Have it. Eat. Leave me.
But we're eating from the same pot, eh? You said... Something?
It tastes nice. The both rice are from the same pot. Are you sure you... This morning?
Just leave me alone!
Oh, okay. Okay.
Honestly, Mama, I don't know what to do anymore. You need to come talk to Uma. Yes, she has been making life so miserable for me there in the city. And each time I want to make her happy, it seems like her hatred keeps growing every day.
My son, tell me, what exactly?
Mama, Uma barely eats or talks to me, and that is the most painful part of it.
No. I'm so sorry. But you know Ma is going through a lot right now.
I know, Mama. I know I can't apologize enough. But I've been doing everything to make her happy, but it seems like all are wasted efforts. Mama, you even asked me to marry Uma, which I did just to make you happy. I really don't know what to do anymore.
Have you talked to the man that gave her to you in marriage?
Talking about that man. I went to his house and he said he's not in the position to do anything about that. I should come back to you. But I thought he's supposed to be your husband, and what's going on? You guys are living differently.
He said that to you?
Yes, Mama. What is really going on?
My son, there is something I didn't tell you. Before Ma was given to you in marriage. But because of your kindness, what you have been doing for my daughter,
I am moved to tell you. Listen, Osando. I am only here because of my daughter, and I will not be staying long before I go back to my husband's house.
Your late husband's house, in case you have forgotten.
Not your business.
Yeah, Obiageli, why don't we settle down and get married? Eh? You know you're a widow, and nothing stops you from choosing another husband. Please, nothing is tying you with your late husband. Did you bear any child for him? No. So consider what I'm saying.
Osand, in case you have forgotten, there is nothing to consider. You know, yeah? Me, Obiageli, marry you. Give me about Osand. Hey, maybe in your dreams, or you are joking.
You know I have what it takes to take care of you. You know that. Yes, so that we can live together as one happy family.
What about your wife?
Who is wife? That cripple. I have gone to collect back my bride price I paid on her. So nothing is tying me or connecting me with her anymore.
And what does that make you? A good man? Or
It makes me a man who is ready to marry a woman like you.
Mama, am I supposed to go and fetch water?
Are you blind? These eyes, is it for fancy? So you cannot see that there is borehole here. Can't you see that borehole?
You know the one that caused it. Every time you're telling me that I'm lazy, I'm not a good child, I'm not doing anything, this and this and this. I'm not asking you, what should I do? What should I do? So you don't say it again.
Hold it there. Wait. So, am I that magnanimous? Am I that small that you cannot see me and greet me? What is the meaning of that? So this is the type of training you've been giving her.
Hey, Osand, you asked for your daughter, and I brought her back to you. Huh? If I did not give her a good home training, it's left for you now to train her the way you want. Excuse me.
Azuka!
My name is not Azuka. My name is Azwanuka.
That is not important now.
My name is not important. So you are the one important.
Listen, if I should accept anything, it's not insult from you. So watch your mouth. Listen, what happened to my side mirror?
There's nothing somebody will not see in this life. When do human beings start having side mirror on their body? Tell me.
I'm talking about my car side mirror. Dummy.
Okay. Oh. What happened to your car side mirror?
My car side mirror is broken. Who did it?
Wait, so you're asking me that question to answer? You want me to answer that question, right? Then okay. The already meeting. Mind yourself and don't provoke me this morning. See me, I beg you. I know they laugh.
Can you imagine that? This little brat walked away from me the second time.
What is going on here?
Welcome. You're back.
What is welcome? You are back. What do you think you are doing?
I'm enjoying myself. Come and join me now.
Azu, you said I should come and join you. Where did you get the money to buy all these things?
You're acting as if you don't know. You know! You know!
Where?
For my beloved papa. I got it from his wardrobe.
You got it from his wardrobe? So, you mean to tell me that you stole your father's money and bought all these things?
No. I cannot steal. I cannot steal from my father. My beloved papa. My sweet papa. I cannot steal from him. If it's somebody like you or any other person, I'll believe I stole the money. But from my papa, I did not steal it. I took it. I did not steal it.
Hey! Azo, do you even know the man you call your father? Imonyobo. Do you have an idea the kind of person he is? Emma.
Before you tell me that this man again is not my father, because that's how you said that the other one is not my father. Is it not this man that is living in this house, this man that owns this house that is my father? And asking me, do you know who you are calling your father? Is it not the one that is my father? Or do I have another father again?
Hey! Chuku, how did I offend you?
Yeah.
Mejogo, you gave me this kind of a child.
Every time they ask me, when my other, let me not even call him my father, because it's not my father. When my other Mpa was alive, he said, Chukuna, Mejogo, you're not my father. This one. Now, you're still asking Chukuna, Mejogo. What is your own self? This is my father's house. This one is the main father's house.
You still have not. I'm going to carry it. Come on, you think you have mouth to talk. Come on, eat.
I'll take it.
You still take it? Or come and collect that one from me now.
Come on, take it now. Come on, take it. Let me see you. Come on, take it. Come on. I'm not even running. This is not wrong with me.
I should run with you. Azanoka.
Hey. Why? Why didn't you tell me about it?
Tell you about what? I don't understand.
Why didn't you tell me the man that gave you out in marriage was never your father?
How did you know?
Your mother narrated the whole story to me. Ma, after everything you went through, the pains and the torture, yet you kept it all from me. Why?
I was angry.
I may have maimed you for life with my car. But what you went through in the hands of that wicked man is nowhere compared to what happened. I am going to get that man arrested. Yes, I will jail that man after this whole thing has passed.
I am sorry I didn't tell you. He made me promise never to tell you, else I will pay all the debts my family owed him.
What? That bastard? That man made you to... That man is indeed wicked and heartless.
I was angry at you for what you did to me. I was angry at the pain I am going through in the course of this. I was angry with myself that I wanted to commit suicide. I was angry at myself that I thought of suicide several times. So I can be free from this bondage my family debt got me into. I was also angry at you for accepting to forcefully marry a woman you barely know.
Listen, Ma. I was deceived. Yes. I thought I was honoring your father's request. Even my friends asked me to abandon you, but I couldn't. Yes, I couldn't because I had already developed this real feelings for you. I was already attracted to you, and that was why I succumbed to the whole pressure. Don't you understand? Listen, Emma. I am so sorry. I am so sorry for all the pains, for all the humiliations, for all the torture. I apologize for it all. Please, I'm so sorry. I promise you, as long as I am alive, everything will be well again. I promise. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. I promise you, as long as I live, I will make sure everything will be fine. Okay? It's okay.
No, people are wicked. I could not believe this. See, I want to get Aku arrested immediately. I will do that when all this is over. You see, what hurts me most is that I contributed in hurting that girl by marrying her out of her will. Exactly, but it's not your fault. You are not aware. If I had known she was owing that bastard, I would have paid the whole debt and then allow her go back to her mother. All this marriage thing wouldn't have happened in the first place. Exactly, but I'm still wondering why she kept all that away from you ever since. She made a promise not to tell anyone. It was her mother that narrated the whole story to me. You see, I am really confused right now. Yes, I need your advice. I don't want to make any mistakes.
Yeah? Who took the money I kept in my wardrobe? Am I not talking to human beings?
Do I tell him? Or will you tell him yourself?
Tell him what? What do you want me to tell him now? That I took small money from the wardrobe to sort out some little problems I have. Is that what you want me to tell him?
Wait. You call 5,000 naira little money to solve your little problem. How dare you? So you are the one that stole my money.
If somebody's passing now and hears this thing you're saying, they will think it's better money I took. They will not know it's just chickening 5K. Small 5K. Small 5 pa. Now what for you?
Yeah, Obiageli. Are you sure that this thing here is really my child?
Let me tell you. Let me kukuma tell you my own because me, I'm even tired. Because I don't know why you're asking this one that doesn't even know my real father. You're asking her, are you sure this is my daughter? See, me, whether I'm your daughter or not your daughter, this is my father's house. I am not living. Kama chicken, I am not living. Yes, I have chosen my father. You are my father, and I will not leave.
Hey! There is no way I can harbor a white thing like you in this house.
Meaning,
it's not possible.
Meaning what?
I know exactly what to do.
Eh? Meaning what? What's on the KFC meaning? See, let me tell you. You cannot threaten my child or insult her before me. After all, you called for this. You said I should bring back your child, and here she is. Whether she is good or bad, you must do what?
Take me as you see
that
me.
Is it.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Are you Nebu?
Sobadro. man, no problem. Leave him. Leave him safe.
Come on, go. Are you not the cause? What do you mean by Mama don't mind him? Is it because I'm defending you in his presence?
Don't defend me now, because I'm not your daughter. Don't defend me. Two of you safe. Two of them don't even know who to talk, who to blame or who to support. In fact, I'm not going to want to sit down. Stand up for me and my children.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice. Actually, I came to let you know that I can help you pack up your things if you want to go to your mother's today or anytime you want.
You will let me go? Just like that?
Yes, of course.
What about the marriage?
Marriage. See, Ma, you and I know there was never a marriage between us. Yes. If I had known the whole truth, I wouldn't have added to your pain by making you my wife. I would have ensured the whole debt was paid in full, and then I will let you return to your mother. But nonetheless, it's never too late. I can still do that. You know, pack up your things. I'll drive you down to your mother's place because I want you to be the happiest soul in the whole world.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you. I bless the day you came into my life. And I pray that you find a good woman that will love and take care of you. For you are a beautiful soul.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's all right.
Thank you.
As long as you're happy, that is my concern. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay. Come on. Stop it. Stop it. I don't like it when you shed tears. Chill. So I'm gonna go pack up your things, okay? I'll be back shortly.
Alright.
Alright. I'll be back.
I have a deal for you people.
Ah.
This one will bring money for you to give you your money back.
What deal?
There is this person I want people to kidnap for me. All of us make better money, like cool cash. I'm telling you.
Who be that?
You will know him more. You might not know him too. He's my father, the mechanic, that mechanic. The popular mechanic guy.
You mean that mechanic as in Mazo Sondo?
Yes, he's my father.
You must be mad. You want us to go and kidnap such a man? You know what say would they do work for him?
Eh? Wait, as in he hires the people to work for him?
Yes!
Why you want more kidnap the more?
He's my father. He's stingy and he's rich. He's very, very rich, but he's stingy. Not like he's that rich, but he has money. But he's stingy. He cannot give money out. I'm living with him now, so I've experienced some things. You know, I've experienced a lot of things. Since I noticed he's my father, I'm living with him now. I want us to milk him dry. Like, let's bring out that money by fire by force.
So how do you want us to plan the kidnapping?
See, okay? Don't tell me you are considering to take this offer. That man was good to us now. We can't kidnap such man now.
Okito, are you here to make money or you are here to make friendship? Which one are you? Abeg, how do we go about the plan?
The thing there, I don't have the plan. I've not planned anything yet. That's why I came here, so that I will plan it out. So that, you know, if we carry out the thing, there won't be any trace. That's why I came.
You don't have any plan and you want us to go and kidnap such person.
My daughter. You're welcome. How was the young man treating you there in this city?
Mama, he is such a saint. Yes. At first I was very angry with him, yes. But he was more than tolerant with me. Yes, he wasn't even complaining. He would still cook for me. He would wash my clothes, tidy up the whole house without even complaining.
Really?
Yes, so, Mama.
Tell me, my daughter, did he try to take advantage of your condition?
I was scared initially. I thought so. But I later realized that he is not the type that forces a woman against her will. He is such an amazing man. And I will really miss him, Mama.
Oh, such a good man became unfortunate. Anyways, we thank God all this is over. But don't forget, he promised to be coming time to time to see you and send you money for your upkeep.
Oh yes, Mama. I just can't wait to see him again. I really want to see him again. At least he made me realize that there are still good people in this our world that is already saturated by evil. He's so amazing, Mama.
As well. God will help him to come. God will bless him. He's a good man. God will bless his life.
Amen. Mama.
God will not allow him to suffer.
Amen.
Child.
Amen.
You're welcome.
Good to see you again, Mama.
You're welcome. I've been missing
It's okay.
you.
Stop crying. It's fine. I'm here now. Mama.
Hey!
Mama.
How are you?
I've missed you so much.
So, finally you are back to me. Ma, you're welcome.
Good to see you.
Hey, hey, my daughter. Hey, I thought I would never set my eyes on you again. You're welcome.
Thank you,
God,
Mama.
I thank you. My son, thank you so much for bringing her back to me. God, I thank you. Thank you now.
Okay,
thank you.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma.
I also want to use this, Mama, I want to use this opportunity to also say I am sorry for making her my wife against her will. I'm so sorry.
Mba, my son, I don't blame you. It's not your fault. You were forced to do what you did. And my son, it takes only a good man to do what you did. Thank you so much.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Mama.
Mama, let me get her things from the boat.
Hey.
Okay, yes, I'll be
Let
back.
me join you.
No,
Let
Mama,
me
it's okay, it's okay.
No,
No,
I'll join you.
No, it's okay, Mama.
Hey.
I'll get it myself.
Hey.
It's okay, I'll be back.
You sure say, Chief. Dan Ladi, go buy the girl.
If na the person where you show me for picture, Karikadamo, Zesia, he will buy her.
Like how much?
Alajina Kawukudipa, the girl from 10 million above. Wallahi.
10 million naira.
10 million above. This year.
Consider it done. So how do I see the chief so that we can negotiate? Arom cholunukwe go kita wanne.
Alajina Kawukudi. Once it's that person you're showing me on the picture.
Where can I find boys that will help me execute this?
Boys Kuma? Academy Jinjiri? For that small girl? Can I come on? Kasata chicken boo mana. Kasata chicken boo. Find a bag and put her inside a bag and lock and tie her and kawo mana. Alajina Kawu 10 millions. Wallahi na get 10 millions.
So what are you waiting for now? Let's go and do this.
Madam.
Azanoka, where are you coming back from? Huh?
Why are you asking me so? Eh? Anyway, I want to cool off my head after you and your husband got me angry.
My husband? Did you not steal his money? Did you not?
You are still saying this thing. I don't like it. The way you are saying, like, I'm being more disappointed. What is all this now? 5K. You are making noise. 5K. Is you not my father?
Okay. So bad. Eh? But I want you to know that here is not your house. We only came here to spend some time with him so that you will know who your father is. But you've known him. There's no need of staying. I want you to know that next tomorrow, we will be going back to our house.
Why?
You're asking me why?
No, it's not me and you. Not now that I've already had deals with...
Eh? Which deal? Which deal?
No deal. No deal. Just that me, I don't want to go back. You can go back or you can just come and marry my father so that we'll live together and live happily. Okay? No good.
You are not going anywhere with my child. Don't try me.
As in meaning what? Where are you married to me? Eh? So why will you stop me from doing that?
Did I not ask you to marry me and you refused? Did I not? Leave my child alone.
You are not stopping me. Never. I must go with her. Yes.
Just dare me and see the other side of Osondo. Dare me.
You better go and settle with whomsoever that came here and harassed me with police.
Police was here?
Yes, and they came searching for you.
I can't go back to my house right now because I don't know who is after me with the police. So I need you to help me and go to my house and pick that girl.
But where is your house? Where?
I will direct you.
Yes. You pay me.
Of course I will pay you. 10 million naira is not a small amount of money. I will settle you very well.
Ama, is she the only one at home?
No, her mother is there with her. But if her mother becomes a problem, take her out. Yes. Just the girl is all I need. Yes.
So, by what time is it?
Now.
Now.
Yes, delay is dangerous. I need the money. Come.
They always share with
Guys.
You and who be guy? Say guys. Just run in entire year. Say guy. We look like your mate.
Now update the function, update don't drop. Guys, it didn't say, come here now, put down and say.
Watching this up.
Now what's not the tripod? Like this now, I want to know, say, like this now. Now I'm going to figure them.
I hope so you go follow us go.
Which kind of question be that, Tokito? Why they ask her this kind of question? She go follow us go. You want make the job knock? She know they go anywhere. She know they follow us go anywhere. Beg.
I will just give one a direction. Then I go now I figure them. Tell me now. And I know they go make a direction.
I hope say this one na legit oh.
So what are you doing here? For your mind, you are dodging.
Mama,
You don't want to
I'm
go
not
with
going
me.
anywhere.
I told you that you are going. You are dodging.
I'm not going.
You don't want to go.
I'm not going.
Who do you want to stay with? Huh? A man that rejected you when you were in my womb. That is the man you want to stay with.
That is because he saw my greatness. The greatness was entering his eyes. I bet Mama, let me go on your own. I don't have to.
You want them?
I'm not going to do it now. I have to leave. Oh! Mama, let me now. Let me now.
Edwin, ever since that girl left this house, I can't get her off my mind. I can't stop thinking about her.
Should I take it that my guy has fallen in love?
Huh? How can you say that?
Because that is the only way you can be seen her in all you do. Yes, I know that the girl is calm, she's peaceful, and with that she can make a good partner.
You think so?
I don't need to think for you. You know what is right for you. And if you make her your choice, it's not a bad idea.
Well, I don't think she will ever give me a chance.
Why not?
You know what I did to her?
Not if she feels the same way you do. That wouldn't be an issue.
Mama.
My dear.
I have never felt like this about a man in my life before. I mean, the feeling is so real, Mama. I don't know.
Oh, I can see my daughter is in love, right?
Mama, well, if that is how you choose to see it, I think I am in love with him. Oh my God.
I know.
I never saw this coming. Maybe
I should have been more patient with him. Maybe I shouldn't have allowed him bring me back to the village.
My dear, that is what you've wanted. And as your mother, I wanted the same thing too. Is it because of this condition? I know it will be fine.
But now that he is gone, I have missed the opportunity of telling him how I feel. Will I ever see him again?
Yes. He promised to come back to see you.
What if he doesn't show up again? He has every right not to show up here again.
My daughter, not if he feels the same way you feel. Let's just be hopeful that one day he will show up. Yes.
Mama, I pray. I just pray it won't be too late before I finally get the chance to tell him how I feel about him.
No, as your mother and elder I am, it's like I saw the same thing in his face.
Mama.
Don't worry, my daughter.
What did you see?
Love. Don't worry.
It's fine. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this arrant nonsense? Is this a joke or what?
Okay, relax and shut up.
Will you get this thing off my hands? You guys know who I am in this town. And with my influence, you can never see the light of day again.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet and stop making noise here. Here no be your palo.
Will you just remove this off my hands? I have an important business to attend.
Oga, allow us talk. Why you dey make noise? Wetin we need na money and we need them plenty. Give us money.
Do you guys realize how much money I stand to lose if you keep me here one more minute?
Oga, we no get any intention of keeping you here. You understand? Give us the money, go your way.
Okay. What do you need? How much do you need?
Oga, you go give us 1 million naira. And I'm very sure, say, you pass that money. You want to go Ikareria.
1 million naira?
Yes.
So you guys are holding me here because of 1 million naira? Both of you are fools. Compound fools at that. I will give you 2 million naira.
2 waiting.
2 million naira each, not just 2 million naira.
You for tell us now.
Just remove this and let me go and make this money. Attend to this business, I'll make the money to pay you.
Take you should why? Shut up your mouth.
Oga, I will pay you any amount you want me to pay. I swear to God. Any amount, just call it, I will give it to you.
True. Shut up your mouth. Small people like you. Where you want see money from? You not like some kudi. Touch him away, that bank kudi. Shut up your mouth.
Oga, I have a big deal going down now. And they will pay me plenty money. If they pay me any amount you want me to give you, I will give you. Let me just go and know if my mother is alright, please.
No, I don't want to hear. Nene, what happened? It happened. Nene. Why you? Get you want to get.
God.
Mama.
Azu.
Jesus, Mama, you're okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Wow, that's good.
I'm fine.
I'm so happy you're fine, Mama. I'm thinking.
Thank God.
Something bad has happened to you.
Nothing happened to me, my child. But what happened? Where did you go?
Someone kidnapped me. But I escaped.
Thank God.
Thank God. Mama, you're fine.
Yes.
God.
The person that took you hit me with something on my head and I passed out.
Your mother almost died. If not by the
Thank
grace
God
of
you are
God.
okay. Mama, one more thing. Is one Aboki guy like that?
Aboki?
Yes.
I thought it was those useless two men you brought to the house.
No, they're not the one. Mama, it's all my fault. And I'm so sorry for it. Please forgive me. I can't believe I contributed in something that almost took our lives. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I've been a stubborn child. So stupid and foolish. But I'm sorry. From today, I promise I'll turn to a new leaf. And I'll obey anything you say.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Come. That's my girl. I'm happy to hear you say this. Do you know what? I almost cursed the day I gave birth to you. The day I brought you to this world. But hearing you now, as in listening to you now, saying this, I thank God. And I know that there is hope for you to become a better person tomorrow. Yes. And I promise to help you to be that better person. You are not a cursed child. Instead, you are a blessing from God.
Hey.
I'm happy.
Hey, Amaka, I wish you were here now. Plenty gist, full ground. But anyway, let me gist you first. You know on Sunday, police don't catch am. Including those two idiot boys, those Aboro people, okay, and Okito. Police don't catch them too. You remember that Hausa man they called Musa? Police catch am. Now from there, this arrest, now they will find out plenty things. I hear say Osondo, na him, he won't even sell her daughter to ritualists, make they use and do ritual. This arrest, na him bring Inyash out. We hear say na even kill Uchendu. That him fine wife na, that him fine wife wey we dey talk of now, wey we dey gossip of. Na him even kill the man, marry the girl, even collect the money. Hey! Oh, you for see plenty gist. Biko, later we will talk later, abeg.
The sun is almost down today again. Yet, I have not set my eyes on him. Will he ever come back?
Ma, I want you to stop waiting for him. It is obvious that he's not going to come back.
But he promised. He promised to come back.
Yes, I know. Don't blame him. He has tried for us so much. Yes, he has tried so much for us. I want you to pray that one day God will give you a man, a good man, that would like to spend the rest of his life with you. You have to move on with your life. Please.
But Mama, why is life so unfair? Why? Here I am, seeking and hoping for the one my heart beats for. The very man I fell in love with. Yet, he is nowhere. He's gone with the wind. Dissipated and never to be seen again. Mama, why is life so cruel? Why?
My daughter, starving yourself is not going to save any situation. You have to eat. You have to start taking good care of yourself. You have to move on with your life. Let me take you inside.
Just take me inside.
Mama,
oh my God.
we
afternoon.
My son.
I am sorry I took so long to return. I also apologize for keeping mute on you all this while. I needed time to think through the whole process. And then I realized that God brought us together.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Ma, I have made up my mind to spend the rest of my life with you. I know this may sound crazy, but it is the truth. And I hope you don't decline. Will you marry me? Will you be the mother of my unborn children? Will you be the love of my life as long as we live? Please. Please.
What you said never sounded crazy to me. I have waited patiently and impatiently for a day like this. Yes, I have been waiting, and now it has come, and with it, more than I had expected. I love you, Mike. I love you, and I wouldn't mind spending the rest of my life with you.
Hey! Say yes, ma! Jesus! Yes,
Thank you.
Jehovah Dogu! Chineko Dogu! I said it! I said it! Nothing past God. Chineko go about Alpha and Omega. I bless your holy name. Thank you, Jesus.
Oh my God! Oh, babe. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
And I am so grateful for having you in my life because you made my world complete.
Oh my God, I love you so much.
I love you too. Come here.
Oh my God! What's this?
I'm taking you to paradise.
Okay, where's the paradise? I'm already in paradise.
Over there on the couch.
Oh my God.
Do you know what? I'm about to take you on a trip. A 9-month trip. Via your stomach.
You don't see my right? Oh my God. Oh my God.
What? What's the news? How is my wife?
It's mine. Congratulations. It's a baby girl.
Ah! Oh my! Yes! Yes! What about my wife? Oh, she's okay. She's strong, right? Okay. Ah! Yes. I am now a daddy. Wow. Okay. You don't mean it. Again?
I'm telling you the truth.
Did you?
Oh, yeah.
Give me a high five. That's my baby.
She's really making us proud.
Wow. In that case, I will have to fulfill my promise to you by taking you to the amusement park 3 times a month. You like that, right?
Oh my. You know she took after me.
No. She took after me. Nah, don't even go there. Your mother said it the other day that you usually take third in the class or last. Third or last? Okay, third, yeah. But me first. I am the engineer here.
I was always taking first. I took after me.
I have the computer brain. Well, my daughter is going to become a computer engineer. Just like her father. Right? Do you want to be an engineer or a doctor? Which one?
Pick one, right?
Which one? Okay, we have a doctor there.
I am so proud.
Okay, Sunshine, I've always wanted to ask you this question. I want you to confirm it yourself. The other day, your mom and I were arguing this, okay? I want you to tell me, between mommy and I, who's next? Yes! Yes! She said that.
I disagree with that.
She said daddy.
So you're not on your daddy's side. Okay. No problem.
Okay, let me answer another question. Between mommy's look at my eyes, look at it.
Look at my eyes.
Whoa. Fine, equal.
High five.
High five, baby girl. Yeah.
Oh, good.
So, honey, are you hungry now, baby? Want something to eat? Yes.
Hey?
Okay. I see baby girl is hungry.
Yeah.